Now is it okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have any other laptops nearby?
No, sir. Only one.
Or your mobile is also Zoom connected?
No, no, sir. It's only my laptop.
Where from this echo coming?
Okay, sir. Wait, wait. Why is this?
나 actually 가고 나 이블런이요. 나 또 예 코로나 근데 가고.
Sir, is it still echoing?
No, it is okay now.
Okay, good. Sir,
Hmm.
video is off, I guess.
So tell me,
Yes, sir. Sir, your video is off, I think.
video actually I intentionally kept off for 1-2 minutes.
Okay, okay, okay.
No issue, I will come immediately. But you tell me about your journey till date about Qt.
Okay. Yeah, initially, on my first day, what I did, I installed Qt. I saw your video. I got introduced to Qt environment. Then I basic, basic codes I executed. Then in the second, meaning yesterday, I started working on that application. So I made that calculator. So during that process, I learned a few, well, many things. So initially, while designing the calculator, I got to know about the various aspects while you design the app in Qt Creator, and about the various slots and those things that is used while making the app. Also, I got to know about the signals and slots in Qt. Like when you create the calculator, there are different slots for every button, and how you connect all those buttons to make that calculator functional. So I learned these things and those designing aspects. Then after I did all those things, then came the final deployment. So for that I referred internet. So there were, I guess, three methods. So I did that release method, which is the best method. So there are few steps that you have to do. Like first you have to define your directory where you want to deploy that. then release that, sorry. So then you release it, you build it, and you get that exe file. Now for make to run that exe file, uh, there are again several ways. One way is that you can use that MinGW64, the application that you get with this Qt kit, sorry. So through that, it basically gives all the DLL files and all the required files that is required to run that particular application, exe file of that particular app that you have created. So through all these things, I got to know about all these, like majorly three things about designing, coding, and this deployment. So I got to know about the whole process, how you finally get that particular app that you have created, and moreover, I you know gain more familiarity with this Qt environment. Oh.
What is
So
that? What is that? Come back again.
yes, sir.
What you told just now?
Well,
I
I
could not
gain
follow.
more familiarity with this. Well, I'm now more comfortable in Qt.
Okay.
I have
Any part
understood.
have you touched about QML?
No, sir, I haven't done anything like that.
Something was there in my presentation also, though, QML.
Sir, it was in the end, I guess. You told about QML. Yes, I haven't done that thing.
So today, mm, so now coming back to this, whatever you have done, this is a widget application. No?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to learn some QML application,
Okay.
and one book is there, a Lee book. I will share with that. From Lee book, any one of the application you create in Keybook, create in Qt, and build it and send the exe file as yesterday you sent with code. Yesterday you have not sent the code, so we could not verify that.
Okay, okay. I can send it now only.
No issue. You take your own time. So now we have reached a juncture. Just I take a phone, okay? So sorry. Now we have reached in a juncture. Okay. So we there are many avenues where we can move now,
Okay.
and where we move, that is most crucial.
Okay.
The way you start, no, then you can find out that where you can reach.
Okay.
If we take a wrong route, we will reach a wrong direction.
Okay.
This is the very crucial discussion for this, and what I should say. Mm, you have to now tell me that which path you want to follow. There is a very simple path. There is very moderately hard path. There are hard path. There are extremely hard path in coding
Yes.
perspective. So you are getting my point.
So, sir, obviously extremely hard. Obviously, I want to
Huh?
learn. No, obviously extremely hard. I will try because I want to learn through this internship.
So that you see that calculator, even school students can do in VBA.
Yes. Oh,
Python, many students do that. It is not a big deal. But you have shown that you can do it. That is most important part.
so that's why I was just randomly trying any app just to
Yes,
get
yes,
some
it is good. It is good. It is good. Means what I am telling you, if you can do one thing right in right way, right fashion, then you can do many things in right way.
yes.
Small and big or large, it does not matter. It is
Yes.
execution. If you have executed a small project, then you can take a big project also.
Yes.
So I'm happy for that. Now coming question, should I give a most difficult one to you to explore?
So means for that I will also require help, obviously.
Help is always there. Help is there. You only thing your involvement
Yes,
matters.
sir. That too will be there through the internship.
Okay.
If I'm there.
So now I am giving that this app already it is working,
Yes.
and this app is has some something which is not included in this app. I have included this app. Another version is there where we have included the multimedia video transmission.
Okay.
So in if, when you learn QML, adding video is extremely easy thing.
Okay.
3 line code, only
Okay.
3 line code.
Okay. I will have to see it.
One code you have to identify the camera. You have to instruct to identify camera, then capture. Rest already set.
So, okay.
Okay, and this is already we have included in our application. In
Okay.
our application, chat is there, chat
That's
application.
it. Yes.
Networking is there. So you have required to learn networking. Database already you told you have worked a lot.
Yes. Yes.
And my voice is okay, or
Okay.
my voice is okay, or it is
Okay. Perfectly fine.
okay. So now you have idea about database.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me which database is best for in a small application which is freely available?
Sir, you mean the data structure?
Data storage means cloud storage.
Sir, I know about the data structures, not the database as such.
Data success means what is that?
Data structure.
Data structure. But data structure, then you have to store it somewhere, no?
Sir, I mean, when you store a data, there has to be a particular structure in which you have to store it so that it's efficient for you to access it when you require.
Uh,
For
so
example, if
so
you,
so so for there for extracting their data somewhere you have to store.
yes. Acha, that you are saying about
Hmm.
that database. Okay. So for that, I don't have any idea. No. I know which data structure we can use.
These are weaknesses of our theoretical learning. You have learned that a structure, data structure, but where that data will be, where you structure, why you structure, and how you extract those data, that you don't know. When you know one part, data structure, you should have something. Uh, Otherwise, that structure will not having any meaning. No, you have a structured nice way, but what is the use of that?
Yes, sir. That's one way. Yes, I understand.
Okay, so now data structure, what actually it means, how you have structured,
Hmm.
can you share something about data structure?
So like there are many data structures out of which the most basic two are the linked list and the array,
Hmm.
and advanced form of that are the trees, various types of trees. Like we have the AVL trees that are the balanced trees, the BSTs basically, and also these D trees we are having, 2,4 trees we are having. There are many types of trees. After that, the most advanced form is the graphs. So basically, if we want to, for example, we want if we want a data structure in which we want to get the minimum of all the data every time we want to access that. So for that, there is a data structure that is a heap, and all these data structures like the trees, heaps, everything is basically implemented using these two basic data structures that are arrays and linked list. So these two are the most basic ones. So for example, if you want to create a tree, let's say a basic BST, balanced search tree. So for that, you will require, well, you can create it using array, linked list, or a vector also. So for that, basically what you will do, you will create nodes and you will connect them. So means what I have to tell, I'm going into deep. I'm telling you.
Okay. Now the saving part you have structured, and then you have retrieved, and then you have to save. How you save it?
Sir, I understand your point. You're saying that once we have the data, we structure it in a way that is efficient. Then how we have to store it to, retrieve it
Hmm.
or you require. I understand that. So that storing part I have not learned. Yes.
So have you any idea about this CBS CBS format, XML format?
XML
Then
format.
yeah.
I have heard, but I have not learned XML and JSON and all. I have to see.
So
I will
so
require
so
one.
so something you have learned for learning sake, not application sake. Means you should means what I think that we should learn the entire thing. I don't know much about data structure, but whenever I have faced any problem about data, then first thing I have to know where will be the data, the store, and how it is organized. That is tree. You have not talked about tables. I think tables also one form of structure. No, is not it? No,
So table, it's a data. It's a sort of data structure, but
it is
it is
sort
not
of not.
how
It is
the
a
data is
important
stored in
part
some.
of data structure. Is not it?
Sorry, it means it's a data structure. you can say, but it's not a type of data structure that is used when you store something in a computer, in a digital device.
But you
Obviously, it's
should
a different.
also how you can say that, I don't know. Table is the most preferred way of data structuring. List is one
Creation.
thing. Hmm?
Let me search. It's not
Okay,
a.
okay. I am not expert on that. I should not comment. So you check that one. Okay.
Hmm.
So that is one part. Networking another part in our application. Then communication is another part, and then multimedia another part. So in multimedia already we can include, I have included that in our uh, uh, application. Okay.
Okay.
Now issue is that video transmission video transmission capturing is not a problem. Even you can capture it. Today you can learn this when you open the Lee book. Now I'll share with you Lee book, and then you go to the multimedia chapter. You can create a application, video capturing, video stream running, playing, all those things. Very simple. Okay, and QML application.
Yes.
But after that, if you have to transmit that, that means this zoom.
Hmm. I got it.
So this is the most difficult part, but it is not difficult for a person who is knowledgeable about coding. It will be very simple for them. Only thing is that when I suppose my camera has captured my photo, then what you will do, and we are in like that, we are in communication. I am communicating with you, you are there and I am here, and my camera has is capturing my video, your camera is capturing your video. But how to communicate between this, how your photo will come to my window and
Hmm.
my photo go to your window, that is called transmission. And this can be done, if I require that it is not real time, then that also can be done. But real time, when I am talking, immediately you should get that. That is the most difficult part, but
Okay.
it is not difficult part. Have you any written any notebook? Have you there with you any notebook, pen, so that
Right
you can
now.
take a note? Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. I have. Yes.
So write down multimedia video streaming.
Yes.
Some terminology I am trying to share with you so that you can focus on those things.
Multimedia. What you said? I.
Um, Multimedia chapter you have to do how to capture video capturing,
Okay.
and this you will learn easily. This is video playing, all those things, very simple thing. But we are thinking of video transmission.
Yes. Okay.
Write down video transmission, so
Hmm.
real time transmission.
Yes.
So the package name is WebRTC, WEBRTC,
Okay. Hmm. I got it.
real time communication. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to understand that WebRTC, that is also a module in Qt.
Okay.
And then uh, uh, this is also not that difficult.
Okay.
Difficult now part I am now telling. When we want to transmit the data, na, that file already created. So you need not create from zero. once you are good in this programming and all those things, no, you'll understand that what is there.
Okay.
But what we could not do is transmission, and for transmission we require turn, 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 one terminology, right?
Okay.
And
Hmm.
another terminology you write ICE, ICE.
Okay.
So this turn is the something a server sort of thing. When I talk something, it goes and stores somewhere.
Okay.
When simultaneously when you do something, that also goes to the server. Then that server transmit your videos to me and my videos to you. So this is called ICE, something short form of ICE, ICE,
Okay.
Internet Communication Environment, something I don't know much about that. So this part you have to try today.
Okay.
How
Okay.
you will start? Uh, First, you create a QML, write down the steps.
Okay.
Create a QML file, app, any app.
Okay.
Made the exe file for that.
Hmm.
If you happy that yes you can handle QML, you can create an application in QML, then go to WebRTC.
Hmm. Okay.
No, then don't go WebRTC. You go for this what I should say, multimedia,
Okay.
multimedia module.
Okay.
You retrieve a video file, then you play that video file, you save that video file to another folder, like that. This will learn some few basic things about file management and all those things also, and at the same time video play.
Okay. Getting
If
it.
you do that, if you do that, yes, it is very easy. Means I'm the way I am telling you now. If you follow right track, within 1 2 hours you can learn these things.
Yes, yes, I'll do it. Okay.
Yeah, it is very difficult because the entry point, getting the entry point is main issue. But I am giving you the entry point, what to do, how to do. So you need not search lot of things. You need not refer to a lot of videos and YouTube and all those things. So it you can do it. So after that, when you are comfortable with multimedia, then you search WebRTC.
Okay. Hmm.
And after WebRTC, if you are familiar, then you get familiar, you can try to create a WebRTC. Then here you require MSVC. Write down MSVC 19 or 17.
17 was there in the kit.
So what is MSVC?
I don't know. I just saw what is it's something multimedia, I guess. Is it?
MSVC, Microsoft Visual Compiler
Acha.
or something?
Yes, yes. Microsoft Visual C++. It's written.
Yes, MSVC.
Acha.
And Microsoft Windows also, I think Visual Studios. Visual Studio also, if you can install, that will be fine.
Okay, okay. I have it. Okay.
Okay. So this thing you write down fast in Google Docs, whatever I told you as a plan, and make that one horizontal line, your name, your date, and then write down this planning, and then put another horizontal line so that that block is your block.
Oh, yeah, I do it. Okay, okay, okay.
Hmm. So in DPR file, you do that and then you will start your work. And I am not sharing just now my file. You work on generic file. Then when you are comfortable with multimedia and WebRTC, then we will introduce our main application,
Okay, okay.
because main application is very complex one. So many functionalities are there. Entire bridge play is captured with codes.
I
That
understand.
is scoring, card shuffling, hand play, keeping records, everything.
I understand. Okay.
High, very big database in XML, and then other format also. So that will be a very complex task. You will learn it. It is not that difficult. When I can handle, I am a mechanical engineer. If I
Yeah.
can handle, then you can handle. And
Okay.
I am not a coder at all. I don't like coding. I like reading. I like reading. Read huge book. Whole day night can read and write. Okay.
Uh,
So this is the thing with that, and we'll now any other point if you have.
sir, in as a summary, I'm telling first. So I will today create an app. Using that QML. Okay.
Hmm.
Then the same process, deploying that and creating a executable file.
Hmm.
Then I will explore that.
Send it to me.
I will send it. Okay. And also send that code for yesterday's
Hmm.
file that I have.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay. And then after that, sending it to you, I will then explore the multimedia
Hmm.
module. And you will also share a book, you said. In
Hmm.
that, there is a chapter. Okay.
Hmm.
Then after that, what? After when I am comfortable in that, I will move to WebRTC.
WebRTC. Yes.
Yes. And
So after that we will have another meeting.
okay, okay, okay.
Hmm.
So this is my path that
Hmm.
I okay.
Hmm. So bye for now.
Okay, sir. Also, sir, Ram Nayak was saying is he required now? He is free. He can join now if you want.
You two are responsible for. Let him join. Tell him after 10 minutes. Let him join. You can leave,
Okay, 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 sir.
or if you don't have any much work, you can also stay.
So now I will start working in this only that you have said.
Okay. Uh, I can. If he is there, let him join.
Okay, sir. I'm telling him to
Hmm.
join. Okay, sir. I'm leaving then.
No,
Bye.
you don't leave.
Acha. Okay.
20 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Let us common discussion.
Okay.
He is free. Let him join.
Yes.
Future, we will create a mathematics app also, but not now.
Sir.
ও এই জিনিসই কেন্দ্র কিছু Hello, Ramnaik. Good morning.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Is it afternoon? Started?
Yes, sir. 1:30. It is 1:30.
Okay, okay, okay. I have not noticed. So, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
So, what are you doing now?
Sir, power is not there still. Maybe it will come after 2, I guess. I will be working on our project after 2.
No, no, that after two you work, I don't have any issue.
Okay, sir.
But what are you doing? Let me know.
Yeah, okay, sir.
What you want to do?
Sir? Sir, actually,
Next, what you want to do?
okay. Sir, actually, I'm looking at those previously written codes, .cpp files. Some of them are
If
not
you go,
understandable.
if you go on reading, you will never understand anything.
Okay.
That day I told you Spandan also. Can you open your videos? No, video is not working.
Sir, I can't. My network is not that
Okay,
stable.
okay, no issue.
Hello, sir.
So what I am telling, Spandan, you can keep your video. Why you want to hide? Huh? You are the future leaders. You should be in forefront. You know the should I share one story about king?
No, we haven't shared.
Okay, one king, one old king. He has seven sons.
Yeah.
So that at old age he was in the deathbed almost. You can say. Then
Okay.
the sons started fighting. Who will be the next king? So
Okay.
everyone want to be king when his father will die. So everyone want to be king.
Yeah.
Then he told they are started fighting among themselves. Then one one boy was there, one son was there. He is very much matured. So he told that this fighting with among us, it will not solve our problem. So let us go to our father. Let him suggest who will be the next king. Then
Okay.
everybody agreed on that. Everybody thought it is good idea. So they went to their father and asked, "Sir, who you want from us? Whom you want to be see as king, next king?"
Okay.
Then their father told, "I cannot say that. In the forest there is there is a cave, and in that cave one very uh, whatever lady lives there. He is very knowledgeable lady, and you all can go there and ask her that who should be the next king. She can guide you properly." So everybody started running. Somebody took a horse, somebody took the other cart or means of communication, and somehow they all reached that forest mountain cave. But when they reached there, that lady was not there.
Okay.
So everybody was waiting for him. He might have gone some collecting some foods or something from surrounding forest. So they are all using they are mm, they started waiting there in the cave. I just don't take it negative or positive, okay? Just
Okay.
for knowledge sake, I am telling this story.
Okay.
They started waiting that lady will come, then they will ask her who will be the next king. So they took different chairs or there, not chairs actually. There is no chair, you can say. There are some arrangement of seating here and there in that stones. So everybody was eagerly waiting that to that lady to come back. Then after 1 2 hours of waiting, that lady came. Then lady got surprised to see that all these princes are there in his cave. So she started, she became very happy. She talked to each one. Then that son, that princess, they told her that their intention to, their objective to come to that, to meet her uh, about who should be the next king.
Okay.
Then that lady thought sometime who should be the next king among these seven. Then
Okay.
that lady simply told after some time that who am I to decide? You already have decided.
Okay.
In that son, this princess, they could not follow. Sir, madam, what are you talking? Oh, we have not decided yet anything. Which you can see the seating pattern. King is the highest position, and all are the followers and ministers. So you can see that from the seating arrangement, you can judge who will be the king.
Yeah.
So that third son was sitting at the top of that seat, of the seven seats there. You know,
Okay.
so the future leader should lead. They should be visible, and they should face the challenges. So in some many times I talk very harshly, but that
Yeah.
is not for your to hurt you. It
Yeah. Yeah.
is that you should face the other bitter side of the life also, is not
Okay.
it? Because as you have entered in IITs, you will always get positive replies from your surroundings. You will be regarded as a special person, is not
Yeah.
it?
Yes. Ah, yes,
So
sir.
nobody will confront you, nobody will try to means oppose you your views, and nobody will start anything negative, means negatively in treatment will be to some extent different. So
Yes.
you will start absorbing that you are, whatever you are doing, whatever you are talking is the absolutely right. You cannot, never can be wrong. So that
Yes.
is not a right way of living. You should also see the society from the positive side, negative side, and that is also a part of learning. So sometime I talk something, so don't mind it. It is for part of internship also.
Yes. Yes.
Because theory you learn from colleges,
Yes.
is not it? But practical application, practical way of life, facing the society and world in a real sense.
Yes, sir.
When you go to the masses, no, if they don't know the that you are from IITs, your treatment will be different. And when they know you are from IITs, then your treatment will be their treatment will be different. Is not it?
Yes, sir. Yes, exactly.
So very realistic. Anyhow, So that's why I told you, you should not hide the videos.
Yes, yes, sir.
You should be visual front. Okay. Now coming to that, today next, what you want to do if you go on learning? Yesterday I told Spandan also. Oh, reading Google, surfing Google, and
One time.
seeing YouTube, you cannot learn. When you start working, you will learn. And yesterday, in one day, he has made a this calculator application. That is the beauty of means working. This is the way of working. Which
Yes, sir.
path you choose, that matters your output.
Yes, sir.
So now you are familiar with that app. You know that how to create executive file, how to run that file, everything you know. So
Yes.
next, what you want to do, if you think that you will read it and learn it, it will take 2 months, 6 months to do that, and your output will be visible after 1 year.
Sir, do you have any demonstration video about
Not
this one?
required, that I'm telling. No demonstration required. You will learn while working.
Okay, okay, got it, got it.
So you start working, you will learn everything.
Yes, yes, sir.
Until unless you start working, you will not learn. These codes
Okay.
are very simple codes. Apparently means apparently you see that C++ and our talking language, and for the same sex JavaScript. Anybody can study a JavaScript. They will understand what that function is doing.
Okay.
Is not it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
In, there are a lot of functions will be included in a JavaScript, and how confidently I am telling it. I am not a coder, but when I read these codes, no, I understand what they mean to do it. Only thing
Yeah.
I don't know the syntax, so I could not connect each other. If you know the syntax, then the language is very simple. As if we are means it is our speaking means mother tongue like that.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. So,
Because whatever I have seen in CPP files, once I read it, anybody they will understand what function they are doing, and same similar thing is. And if I am wrong, you can correct me also, because this
okay.
is the informal platform where we can exchange maximum our thoughts. Sometimes
Yes.
I may also thinking from a wrong way, so that also your duty to correct.
Yes.
It is knowledge is not from one sided. I can learn from you also.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So this is the basic thoughts. Now coming to the app, whenever you get the power, you start working. Working what working? You create exe file
For that one, already for already done file.
for
Okay,
our
sir. I will create.
application.
Sir,
For
for
our
total
application,
application or for just that server one or client one?
both you have to do no.
Okay,
Both are
sir. I will do
different
both.
application. Both are different application.
Okay, sir. I will do for both. Actually, I have only run that server one. I didn't run client one. I will look into it.
So once you can make that server exe file and client exe file, then
Okay.
deploy it separately in
Another server.
Windows, and then you run and see that what is happening in game.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And in that way, you will learn in one day.
Okay, sir. Okay.
But you follow that, I will read all the codes and learn. You will not learn. You will get just you in forest. If you have no map and if you want to search something in a forest, you never can move in right direction.
Yes, sir. Yeah, got.
So,
Yes,
so
sir. I
this
will
is
look
the
into
thing.
those things.
So I don't know this. My examples are also how much relevant,
Sir,
but I
kind of
it,
correct. You are correct.
Yes. This is the thing. And today I have instructed mm, Spandan that our app is ready for implementation, but I want to add some difficult functionalities in our app.
Yes,
What is the
yes.
difficult functionalities? To video communication.
Okay,
So
video communication.
yes, it is also primary setup already done, but not the file that I have shared with you. It is in another file. Uh,
Okay, you
so
haven't shared that
so
file.
huh. So
Okay, okay.
you presently learn this how this app is working, how this client and that what I should say server is communicating to each other. That part you uh, try first, and
Okay, the server
see
and client are how they are communicating and things.
yes, it is. It is
Okay.
actually for tournament. I told you it is a tournament app. Spandan.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah.
I have not told about our app. It is a tournament app where in football or any game you see that a referee who make a whistle actually to start the game. So similar way, there is referee and players in our application. So referee is called director. In Bridge, it is called director. So director starts a game, and his application is server application. And there is players starts playing the game, and their application is client application. So always play that client and server uh, uh, communicate each other to and fro. Whatever player playing, that server keeps track of everything. It directs how to play, which deal to play, how long time, how much time they can take. All these things they can do. And at the same time here, after tournament is over, they tabulate all the scores and then declare the result server. So this is nutshell in our application. So uh, I am now Ramnaik. You also learn it. I told Spandan also that next you learn the multimedia. Multimedia. You know what is multimedia? Ramnaik, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there. I'm there.
So next is we will learn QML and QML and multimedia. So multimedia video
Okay.
plane again Spandan. Multimedia you can run as a widget application. Multimedia you can run as a QML application. So
Okay.
you should learn both.
Okay.
So we need to learn both applications, widget wala
Yeah.
and HTML wala.
Very easy. It is just you instruct your camera, add that camera, it will start capturing 2 line, 3 line code. It is not very difficult application.
Okay,
So
sir.
so
Okay.
so multimedia. Then once you are through, then we'll go for WebRTC, and when it is WebRTC. We will go for video transmission, so video communication. So
Okay.
this is both of you can discuss among yourself and
Okay.
follow the line that I have discussed with you. And once you are comfortable with WebRTC and this multimedia, we'll try
So what
for
is the
the
first one you are telling? Sir, first one I didn't get
QML,
it.
QML application. Create a
Okay.
QML
QML and
application.
multimedia.
Hmm?
QML and multimedia.
Once you learn QML, then already you know that we get application. So you have
Yes.
to install a video file which you can play the video. You can copy the video. You can save the video in other directory, something like that you can do, and then
Yes, sir.
we will move towards WebRTC, real-time communication.
Okay, okay.
This is a little bit complex thing, but material is available in the net, and you can, if you are good in coding, I think we can learn that and we can install it in our uh,
Okay,
application.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Will-
Any other point?
No, sir.
Okay.
The bridge.
Spandan, is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So can you stop?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And be constant touch, so that we will know that what you are doing. That will save your time, and it will increase your productivity.
Yeah.
I can understand the way the happiness that his writing I was getting, that when Spandan created his first calculator, he was very happy that time. So like that happiness will come when you get a positive result, is not it?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
So we should have very specific. We need not do big work.
Yeah.
Let us do a start from a small work, and that small work will cumulatively will become big.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. So with that, we will be stopping here.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Nice, sir.
So bye. Good day.
Nice, sir.
Okay, sir.
Nice.
Sir.
But DPR, you should start with DPR.
Yes, sir. We'll update.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So what is
Okay.
DPR? Okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it. Sorry, sorry.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So bye for now.
Nice, sir. Bye.
Bye.